Now let us see the disorders of the adrenal cortex. The first disorder is the Addison's disease. Now what happens in Addison's disease? This disease is caused because of the deficiency of mineralocorticoids and glucocorticoids. So when there is, you can say, hyposecretion of the hormones from the adrenal cortex, then this disease is caused, right? That is Addison's disease. What happens in this disorder? There is low blood sugar, low plasma sodium, high potassium plasma, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, severe dehydration is also there. So these are the symptoms of the Addison's disease. Next we have the Cushing syndrome. That is because of the hypersecretion of the cortisol. The symptoms include high blood sugar, rise in plasma sodium, fall in potassium plasma. You can see that it is the opposite of Addison's disease. In the Addison's disease there was low blood sugar, but in Cushing syndrome there is high blood sugar and there is rise in plasma sodium, right, but there was low plasma sodium. So fall in potassium plasma, rise in blood volume, obesity, high blood pressure. So these are the symptoms of Cushing syndrome. Then we have another disorder, that is aldosteronism. This is also known as the Conn's syndrome. This occurs because of the secretion of excessive aldosterone, right. So in this case there is high plasma sodium, low plasma potassium. Obviously if there is high plasma sodium, then there is going to be low plasma potassium. There is rise in blood volume, high blood pressure. These are the symptoms of aldosteronism, right, that is the Conn's syndrome. Then we have the adrenal virilism. What happens in this case? There is appearance of male characters in female. Means when the excess of sex corticoids they are released, that is androgens, this leads to the appearance of male characters in female. For example, the appearance of the hairs, right, in the form of beard, in the form of moustache. So this is known as adrenal virilism, in which there is appearance of male characters in females due to excess secretion of the androgens. Then we have gynecomastia. This gynecomastia is because of the excess secretion of the estrogens, and there is development of enlarged mammary glands in males. So in gynecomastia there is the excess secretion of estrogens, due to which in case of males what happens, there is development of enlarged mammary glands. So these are the disorders of the adrenal cortex, right, which are due to the hypersecretion of the adrenal gland hormones, or you can say the hyposecretion of adrenal gland hormones. So both should not be there. There should be optimum amount that should be secreted, not in excess, not in deficiency. So remember the disorders associated with this adrenal gland, that is the Addison's disease, the Cushing syndrome, aldosteronism, adrenal virilism and gynecomastia. And in this case the Addison's disease is the disease which is because of the hyposecretion of the hormone. Otherwise all these four disorders, they are because of the hypersecretion of the hormones of the adrenal gland. Please do remember that.